We have a variety of ways that we help people with quote-unquote TMJ, chronic jaw pain. We're able to treat people that have headaches. We have very specific night guard type appliances that effectively eliminate migraines. We also can create appliances called orthotics, which are helpful for people that have TMJ issues in the jaw joint and muscular issues. And lastly, people that simply grind their teeth, we're able to create a custom fitted night guard to prevent the teeth from further wear.